Really good.
Okay, you want me to do it now?
Oh, it's warm. That's good. I think it's warm. Oh, it looks so cool. Look at that. Oh, here's the car.
He's big!
I told you he's the possible supergiant man. Smaller container than I thought. Big poop. Oh my gosh, he's so cool.
Is he okay? Is he alive?
Yeah, I saw him moving. There, you pass it here. Oh, yep, here it is. 031. I'm gonna put him on top of that. Had a little poop on the way here, but so awesome. He's yeah. Because I need to